That was elected by our wonderful Wizard of Oz. So first we tackled whether or not what can advising do to help out with curriculum. For either college and career. They know whether they're taking the right thing for their. The advisors themselves need to have an understanding of what is involved in physics, because many times they do not. So that way they can't tell a student, well, yes, this is the right course for you or not. Additionally, students may take physics without understanding what's going to be required of them, whether it be what math is or conceptually. So they need that. This was brought up often from the student in a way, kind of the way they might do it, as opposed to what the program calls for. One example was an advisor who says, well, I hate math, so I don't. The content expert advisement was focused on the post-secondary level, so advisors in that field need to be up to date on we would like that to be realizing that there's problems with that. You don't know. Up on the top was a hot topic. Some consider that probably that CF has a program in advising where they can just put in rapidly and know what kind of course or program the students need to take. I think Valencia said that they had something similar, which was shared between all of the satellite campuses. Students who get to take courses at different campuses at the same time. Also, some students delay the more rigorous classes, which ends up crushing them when they get there. It's better for them to tackle them in the beginning so that they know, okay, yes, I can do this. And then they can have time to change their career path. Okay, so I'm sure you all had the same slide about we came up with that one on the top as the most popular one. Basically, in College of Education, you have, as part of their major, they have to go intern or job shadow. Some high school, doesn't matter what their field is. Our thought is that physics students at the different campuses would be able to, at least some of the time, come into the high schools and assist, maybe even helping them with labs. And so we talked about doing a program, any interested physics teachers show up, on a matchmaker or something, and they match up with a student who would adopt them. And we also say that might be expanded to biology and mathematics or whatnot. It also allows the physics teachers to kind of be more involved with the technology that the students in their classes may be using. Science Olympiad, I won't steal Mike's thunder on that. Teacher retention is a problem. More on that in a minute. But they do have summer camps. We talked about free or reduced summer camps, or maybe one-day summer programs. Campus visits. Sending college students in. Adopt a physics teacher is more of a continuing relationship versus that would be something different. UCF students go to the state colleges instead of just the high schools. Peer tutoring amongst teachers. The one on the top right we pointed out is something that would really help with turnover when all the new teachers left in this wilderness. So if we can set up something where once they take the reins, they know other people they can talk to immediately. and that would help with the teacher retention part. This would be part of the Linda Science Center. There's a lot of fun, interactive teaching exchange. This was taught at the post-secondary level. Teachers from one go to another campus for a week, whatever. And so students get exposed to different teaching styles in the same subject. That's it. Questions? Yes, ma'am. Here? Okay. Right.
So we can't make them take it early because they don't meet the requirements.
And we didn't address it here, but our conversation points was students who are coming in without being properly prepared, and that was going to, it's a drag on the whole program. And the expectation is that's probably going to increase with the changes of high school diplomas into college track vocational in general.
Yeah.
So we did discuss it. We don't really have a fix for that right now, but as much as possible to push it in the end instead of letting them just kind of hold off until we cram it at the end. But we did discuss that as far as they want to take physics or they want to be an engineering student, but they have to start off in developmental math or something.
Right, yeah, so it's going to be fifth or sixth semester by the time they get to physics with calculus. Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
I agree. Anybody else? Yes, ma'am. Okay.
For my physics teachers to actually go to UCF, they did provide an opportunity for an in-service. It was on the 18th, so they got to go and see the labs and everything that was going on over there. I think it's through the phys-ed grant that they have, so those opportunities are available.
With that.
Osceola.
One suggestion.
And what they're also doing is, it's not so much adopt a physics teacher, but I do have some of the physics professors coming down to help out some of the physics teachers, some of the newer ones.